So we've got a 72 volt Surron in today, and it's having a SM Pro 16-inch rear wheel fitted onto there. It's currently got 19 front, 19 rear SM Pros, but with the higher power, as it's got a controller motor and a battery upgrade, the customer's wanting a smaller but fatter rear wheel. So we'll get this SM Pro unboxed and we'll get it installed into the bike. So if you look at the difference in the size with the 19 and the 16, you can see the profile of this tyre is a lot wider. So we'll get this wheel put onto the bike now and it'll make a massive difference. So now we'll get the old disc and sprocket from the old wheel onto the new one, which means this chain will stay the same size, so no messing about with any new chains or cutting anything, literally just straight standard fit, straight back on the bike. That's the bike fully complete, in and out of the workshop in just a couple of hours. If you'd like any work doing to your e-bike, then please give us a call on 0330 311 0854.